In nature, everything is cyclical. Each phase is linked to the next, like the seasons, the day and the night, the earth and its fruits. At Metalmont, we take care of agriculture, making machines for handling and processing cereals. And we do it with the awareness that we are part of a larger mechanism. We conceive cleaning machines using the most modern design tools. We oversee the construction, working with skill, experience, and safety. And we remotely control the automation of storage warehouses in order to intervene in different parts of the world. We follow the natural evolution of the technique, and we do it with our hands in order not to lose contact with the circular path of the continuous improvement, sustainability, and respect for the environment. We are small gears at the service of the earth, and it is only by taking care of it that we give value to our work. Our products represent us. They are what we were, what we are, and what we will be. We are Metalmont.